Recent heavy rainfall has thrown the city of São Paulo into complete chaos. Iconic locations like Batman Alley have turned into rivers, while shopping centers and subway stations are underwater.
Aqui é o poupa-tempo da Lapa.
Pedro, eu tô morrendo de medo. Olha aqui a porta do Golfo.
Floating cars and pedestrians wading through knee-deep water highlight the severity of the situation. Avoid dangerous areas and prioritize your safety. São Paulo flooded. Recent torrential rains have left São Paulo submerged. Batman Alley, shopping malls, and subway stations have been flooded. Roads have turned into rivers, leaving the city grappling with severe disruption. Stay safe.